All right, squad, you know what it is. It's your man T with Arizona Riders Club out here at the Good Guys first classic car auction. I'm having a blast out here. Some wonderful cars, great people. We are in the vendor section where it all happens because without the vendors, we don't go. Right? Right. All right, I'm going to just give you a quick rundown, give a couple shout outs, maybe holler at some of the people that are up here. Just trying to figure out what's going on. I do see a couple vendors that I've dealt with before, so we'll mosey on over there in a quick second. But I wanted to show you this right here, man. This thing is beautiful. So this is Vintage Iron and Restoration. Go check them. Out, guys. 480-922-2480. Hit them up. How you doing today, man? You local?
Yes, sir. We're here in Scottsdale.
Oh, yeah? Okay, yeah. So we got another local vendor, guys. Go check them out. We got Hula Baby Garage. Lots of t-shirts and gear. I do see a shirt I like. I might come back for that one. QA1 high performance suspension drive lines, excuse me. Let's take a look at some of their stuff, huh? How you doing today, man? I'm wonderful. You guys based out of Arizona? Minnesota. Okay, guys. Got another vendor from Minnesota, QA1. Go check them out. Looks like they have some really good stuff out here. Oh, look at that. Suspension. All right, we're gonna zigzag, guys, because it's set up a little bit weird. But I definitely wanted to go back down there and go check out those brakes, because y'all know T does brakes all day, every day. Oh my goodness, look at this thing. Yeah, all right, guys, if y'all don't know Adams Polishes, then you've been under a rock for the last 20 years, because this is one of the main products that I use for all of my vehicles. So get out there, get online, and go check out Adams Polishes. AdamsPolishes.com. Yeah, I'm going to have to pick up a little something. I'll be back. Not going to do it right now, but I like the leather revitalizer that they have. They also have like a paint diffuser or something like that, where you have scratches on your car. It'll just blend it in very nicely. I call myself trying to wax my bins, man, and got some scuffs on there, man. And I was hollering at my boy over there at Adams Polishes at the Barrett Jackson car show, and he's like, "Look, we've got a couple products that would be perfect for you." Talked to him for a little bit. Ended up, you know what? Yeah, it was perfect, man. So got a modern driveline. Oh, take a look at some of this. Tremec Elite Distributor. Go check them out, guys. OptimumBatteries.com. We all know about Optimum. Really good battery. www.willwood.com. Disc and brakes. You know T's into the disc and brakes. Let's take a look at some of their stuff, guys. Drilled and ported, man. It's the only way to go. Yeah, got some really nice stuff. Powder coating on the disc. Hey, I hate to interrupt you, but are you guys local?
No, Southern California.
Oh, what city?
Ventura County, so it's going to be Camarillo.
Yeah, okay, cool. Thanks. All right, guys, we are over here just doing our thing, man. Hanging out, having fun. Lots of noise back there, and I apologize for that, but you know how it goes. Hey, let me give you a quick rundown before we get out of here, man. I didn't even see these right here, but oh my goodness. Oh yeah, there's the Barrett Jackson tent. Knew they'd be here. Oh, you got K&N. Beautiful. Got another Stang. Okay, there it is. 56 Buick Invicta. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? 67 Ford Mustang. Eleanor Tribute. Take a look at that engine, guys. Let me get out of the way and show you. There goes that. CK. '63 unibody. Oh, that's custom, bruh. You guys know, if you don't know BarrettJackson.com, then get off my channel. Oh my goodness. Let me give you a better view, man. Yeah, a lot of custom cars out here as well, man. What is that, Nova? Or a Chevelle? Wow, look at this thing. 48 Chevrolet Crew Cab, co-custom deco liner. This thing is amazing, man. Let's take a look at the interior. Oh, whoa. Blooded out. He's right with that. It is simply amazing. Take a look at that, man. Insane. Are you... Oh, jeez. Gooseneck up top, man. Wonder what the tow capacity on this thing is. A lot. Is that yours, man?
One of the owners, yes, sir.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
All right, guys, I'm just moseying around. It's chaotic at this point. There's no rhyme or reason for what I'm doing. I'm just showing you guys what the heck is going on out here. We got one for sale. Dodge Challenger. 72 Dodge Challenger. I like that color. That color is amazing. Carriage top. We got 4Barrel Apparel. We've got SummitRacing.com. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that they are not local. Let's just check out some of their stuff, huh? Why not? They got a lot of Fight Tech stuff over here as well. Okay. All right, guys, it's your man T signing out. I'll be right back with you. I got to take care of some business over here at some of these vendors, and we will catch back up in a second. It's T with Arizona Riders Club. Please ride with us.